How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Android device. If you have ever found yourself in a situation where your phone is connected to Wi-Fi but there is no internet access, you know how frustrating that can be. If you are experiencing this issue now, this video will guide you through some possible solutions to fix the Android connected to Wi-Fi but no internet access problem. So let's get started. First, reboot your modem and device. Open the Settings app on your phone and tap on Connections and then go to Wi-Fi. Then select the settings icon for your Wi-Fi network. Expand Advanced option and change the IP settings to statics. In the IP address field, enter your value, then tap Save. Next, restart your device network settings. Tap on Reset options and choose Reset Wi-Fi and mobile and Bluetooth connection. Try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi network to see if the issue has been resolved. We hope this solution helped you fix the problem of being connected to Wi-Fi with no internet access. If you have any other workarounds, please share them with us in the comment section below. And thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.